Welcome back everybody to the Fuji Guys. My name is Jerry, and in this video for the continuing series of the top features of the X-A7, I'm going to go through the 4K video options and the different movie options that you have in the menu itself. So if you're interested in knowing more about video, keep watching. So this camera is equipped with 4K. It can record up to 15 minutes at a time in 4K, or you can record up to 30 minutes in 1080. You have different frame rate options as well, like 4K 24, but you also have 1080 60 down to 24, as well as 100p slow motion as well built into the camera. So let's go through some of those video functions. So first, let's talk about actually accessing how to shoot video. So you have two ways of doing it. You can go to the drive options and then select the video or the movie modes and then hit the shutter release to start recording video. Pretty simple, but it adds an extra step. If I'm already shooting pictures and I have someone in my family that's doing something that I want to capture in video very quickly, then I can just hit this function button here, and it's programmed to automatically start recording video based on my video recording settings. So I just hit that button, and it immediately goes into video record mode and begins the recording of the video. Pretty straightforward. You press it again to stop. If we go into the menus, and we'll go into the video options, and this is where you have your movie modes, so your different resolutions, so 4K 30 as I mentioned, 4K 24 with drop frames if you wish, as well as full HD 60 as well. So if you need to slow down your action, you can actually shoot in 1080 60 and then do slow motion from that. But there is high-speed video recording as well, up to 4 times at 25p playback, but it records at 100p. And then we have the video countdown recording, so you can either do 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. Some of the social media platforms are limited to how much video you can actually post. So this will actually give you a countdown timer so you can actually time yourself while you're recording. You have different focus modes, a digital image stabilizer as well to get an even smoother image, and I recommend you keep that on, especially if you're vlogging. You can set your ISO here as well to either a set ISO or to auto. Now the camera can record 4K, but it can record either 4K to the card or to HDMI. And you can actually have the HDMI recorder actually control the recording of it as well. And you have some mic adjustments as well. So on the side of the camera, I'm just going to close the screen here. On the side of the camera, we do have the microphone input. It's a 2.5 millimeter mic input, but included is a 3.5 millimeter adapter so that you can adapt to any of your third-party microphones that you might be using. If you're using the FUJIFILM ST1 mic, it is native at 2.5 millimeters, so it will just plug in automatically. And you can choose whether or not that port is a microphone or a remote as well. I like using that as a remote cable when I'm doing long exposures, and I have the RR100 Fujifilm cable remote as well. Now, as I mentioned in the video modes or in the film simulation part of the top features, film simulations are also available to you in video recording mode. So I'm just going to go to say manual mode here for video. I'm going to go to our little arrow here, and you can see our film simulation. So this also applies whether you're shooting in stills or if you're shooting in video mode. So there's our black and white. I'm going to keep the black and white, and then, oh, I was not in video mode, so now I'm going to record video. So it went right into video mode as soon as I hit that little quick release. Really, really convenient. I don't have to go and change into a video mode anymore. So this concludes this feature of the 4K recording for the X-A7. If you have any questions, feel free to post them up down below. To watch more of the other feature videos, we'll have the links posted in the description. We'll also have the playlist here up in the top corner as well. So until next time, I'm Jerry the Fuji Guy.